there. Look at you. He's enjoying the snowstorm. I have no school. But look at her. She's just enjoying the weather. What are you doing? Hey, Princess. Hi, Princess. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing, silly girl? Okay. Okay. Well, 4. Oh, yeah. Ah, yes.
Where are you?
I'm out. I'm out here with Princess. Look at this girl. Yeah. Look at her. She's just enjoying the weather.
Alright, and then when you're done back here, just go clean off the front steps, okay?
Who's a pretty girl? Can you make her talk? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you do. Look at this. Look at this girl.